everyone, welcome back. Today for our pose reference challenge, we will be using Justin Martin's volume 6 book, page 105 or pose 105. And it's another combat type pose, and we'll be doing my depiction, I guess, or my vision of what a Valkyrie could look like. There's a lot of different concepts out there of people's own imaginations and then also the lore, and I'm taking a bit of the lore but doing my thing with it because that's art. And this one was a lot of fun. Like all the others, I feel like in this one you can actually see some real improvement in my lines and my shapes. Some of the characters I've done, the other poses, they're meant to be more cartoony, so it was nice to kind of have that little bit of twist of more realism. So it was cool to see, and I really like it. I love these challenges, and we're only on the 5th pose of all the ones that I'm planning on doing, and so it's really cool that in just 5 poses I'm seeing improvement in my art. So if if you ever are having a hard time, maybe all it takes is 5 poses and that's like some serious progress. So keep at it. Never give up. Keep drawing. Draw every day. Practice, practice, practice. I don't even draw every day, but I should. And this has been helping me stay on track, and I hope that you can do it too. I know you can do it too. So if you want to follow along with the challenges I'm doing or the poses that I'm doing, you are welcome to post them in my Discord or, comment them, link your DeviantArts, link whatever. If you're doing these poses or Instagram even, that's another source. So if you are following along with these poses or have used Justin Martin's books before and want to share your art with me, I would really love to see it. Especially if it's the same one that I've done, because it would be interesting to see. It's like, oh, I'm doing a Valkyrie with this pose, but maybe you're like doing the Lizard King or something. I don't know. But anyway, without further ado, here is the line art for my Valkyrie.
standing now.